You texted them. Nothing. You called them. Silence. And now you're sitting here wondering, what did I do wrong? That silence, it's not an accident. It's a weapon. Let me show you how the silent treatment destroys people and why manipulators use it. Most people think words hurt the most. Wrong. Silence cuts deeper than any insult because it leaves you with nothing. No explanation, no closure. Just you, drowning in your own thoughts. Did I say something wrong? Are they mad? Do they hate me now? That's the point. Silence makes you the enemy in your own head. Here's what's really happening. They're taking all the power. When someone ignores you, they control everything. You start chasing them. You apologize for things you didn't even do. You beg for scraps of attention. And they just watch. Silent. In control. Winning. This is psychological warfare. And you're losing without even knowing you're in a battle. Why does this hurt so much? Because your brain hates uncertainty. When someone ghosts you, your brain goes into overdrive trying to solve the puzzle. You replay every conversation, every text, every moment, looking for the mistake. That's what they want. They want you mentally trapped, emotionally drained, completely focused on them. Congratulations, you're under their control. The silent treatment isn't communication, it's punishment. They're showing you, if you don't behave, I'll remove my love, my attention, my presence. So you change, you apologize, you do whatever it takes to stop the pain. And when they finally come back, you're grateful, you're relieved. You forget you did nothing wrong. That's how control works. Silent, deadly, invisible. So here's the truth. Healthy people communicate. Controllers punish with silence. If someone uses silence to hurt you, manipulate you, or control you, don't chase them. Walk away. You deserve words, not silence. You deserve respect, not games. Stop playing, start protecting yourself.